Are you a CDLA driver looking for a high-paying OTR opportunity? Trimac Transportation is now hiring full-time CDLA OTR company drivers, chemicals, in Bristol, Pennsylvania. With a competitive annual salary between $94,250 and $113,100, this is your chance to join one of the leading bulk transportation companies in North America. Trimac Transportation has been a trusted name in the industry for over 75 years, specializing in the safe and reliable transport of bulk chemicals and industrial gases. With a strong commitment to safety, professional growth, and top-tier benefits, Trimac ensures its drivers have everything they need to succeed on the road. Apply today and take your trucking career to the next level with Trimac Transportation.
For further details about this position and to submit your application, please check the link in the video description below.